Tughlakabad Fort. Welcome to Tughlakabad Fort, a monumental reminder of the Tughlaq dynasty's ambition and vision. Built in 1321 by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, the founder of the Tughlaq dynasty, this fort marked the creation of the third historic city of Delhi. The fort's massive stone fortifications, with sloping rubble-filled walls reaching up to 15 meters high, were designed to defend against Mongol invasions. Circular bastions and battlemented parapets further fortified its impregnable structure. Tughlakabad Fort spans a half-hexagonal shape, with a base of 2.4 kilometers and a total perimeter of 6.4 kilometers. The city inside was meticulously planned, divided into three main sections. The first section housed the city's residents. Built along a rectangular grid, this area once bustled with activity, though much of it now lies hidden beneath dense vegetation. The second section, the citadel, stands at the fort's highest point. The Bijay Mandal Tower dominates this area, surrounded by the remains of grand halls and a mysterious underground passage, still echoing stories of the past. The third section is the Royal Palace complex, where the rulers resided. Beneath the tower lies a long underground passage, a testament to the fort's sophisticated design and its rulers' strategic foresight. To the south lies the tomb of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, connected to the fort by an elevated causeway. This mausoleum, encased in red sandstone and white marble, remains one of Delhi's best-preserved Tughlaq-era structures. South of the fort, a vast artificial reservoir once provided water to the city. Nearby, the remains of the Adilabad fortress, built by Ghiyasuddin's successor Muhammad bin Tughlaq, mirror the architectural style of Tughlakabad. Though much of the fort is now inaccessible due to neglect and encroachments, its legacy as a symbol of resilience and ambition endures. The once thriving city may be lost, but its story remains alive in these ruins. Explore the Tughlakabad Fort and step into the annals of Delhi's storied past. This fort is not just a ruin, it is a testament to the dreams of a dynasty that shaped history. Begmpur Masjid. Step back into the 14th century and discover the Begmpur Mosque, also known as the Jami Masjid of Jahanpanah. Built around 1343 AD during the Tughlaq dynasty, this massive congregational mosque stood at the heart of the historic city of Jahanpanah, the refuge of the world. The mosque greets visitors with a monumental domed entrance, elevated above the street level. Three-sided steps lead to this grand gateway, a striking example of Tughlaq architecture. The heart of the mosque is its enormous sehen, or courtyard, measuring 75 by 68 meters. Designed as a Timurid-style courtyard plan, it is surrounded by four rivaks, or porticos, offering a sense of openness and grandeur. At the center of the Begmpur Mosque stands its main prayer hall, crowned by a magnificent large dome. Surrounding the courtyard, smaller domes sit atop the colonnades, adding symmetry and rhythm to the structure. The walls of the mosque showcase the hallmark Tughlaq sloped construction, crafted from rubble masonry and covered with a durable layer of stucco. This blend of simplicity and strength defines the architectural style of the Tughlaq dynasty. The mihrab, or prayer niche, is adorned with intricately carved motifs in red sandstone. The finely crafted jalis of the Muluk Khana, or royal space, highlights the exquisite craftsmanship of the era. Surrounding the courtyard are 45 rooms, likely used for religious and administrative purposes. These rooms form a functional and architectural perimeter, seamlessly blending with the mosque's grand design. The Begmpur Mosque draws inspiration from earlier Indian Islamic architecture, such as the Quwat al-Islam complex, while integrating Timurid influences to create a unique Tughlaq aesthetic. Today, the Begmpur Mosque stands as a shadow of its former glory. Many of its domes have fallen, and its roofs are in disrepair. Yet, its enduring presence speaks volumes about the architectural and cultural achievements of the Tughlaq dynasty. Explore the Begumpur Mosque and rediscover the grandeur of a forgotten era. This historic monument, though weathered by time, remains a testament to the legacy of Jahanpana and the Tughlaq dynasty. Lal Gumbad. Welcome to Lal Gumbad, a historical gem nestled in the heart of Jahanpana, the fourth city of Delhi, built by Emperor Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Despite its name, meaning Red Dome, the monument intriguingly lacks a dome, adding to its unique charm. Built as the final resting place of Sheikh Kabiruddin Aulia, this monument embodies the architectural finesse of the Tughlaq dynasty. Sheikh Kabiruddin, a devoted Sufi saint and disciple of Sheikh Chiragai Dilli, passed away around 1397 AD, leaving behind a spiritual legacy that continues to inspire. The design of Lal Gumbad mirrors the architectural style of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq's tomb. Its characteristic sloping walls and intricate stonework mark it as one of the finest examples of pre-Mughal architecture in Delhi. Lal Gumbad is surrounded by a walled complex that includes a gateway, 5 ruined mosques, and 9 open-air tombs. Despite the neglect, the structure retains its historical significance as a symbol of devotion and resilience. Once adorned with a golden finial, the tomb earned the nickname Rakabwala Gumbad. Legend speaks of thieves who stole the golden ornament, leaving behind these iron rings, or rakabs, still visible on the western wall as a testament to its tumultuous history. Step inside the tomb, and you'll find a relatively well-preserved shrine, standing in contrast to the deteriorating ruins of its surrounding mosques and graves. Parts of the complex have unfortunately been repurposed, but the core of Lal Gumbad remains steadfast. Lal Gumbad stands as a silent guardian of Delhi's layered past, a pre-Mughal masterpiece bearing witness to centuries of change. A visit here offers a serene yet profound glimpse into Delhi's spiritual and architectural heritage. Discover the forgotten treasures of Delhi. Experience the timeless legacy of Lal Gumbad. We hope you all liked this 8th episode of Historical Monuments of Delhi. Stay tuned for the next episode. Your friend Ravindra Kumar Gupta, RKG.